I got my first order from Hush. I did use the app, so free shipping is awesome.
So we're gonna open it up. Literally just got it, just came back in the house with this boy. I'm super excited. Really hoping that it's worth it. Hoping that it's worth it. I obviously would have it today because why not? Tape with like little strings inside of it.
Ooh, girl. So the first thing that's right on the top, Boutique Blending and Contouring Oval Brush 5-piece soft oval brush set. So we got a big one for the face, medium size, and then some little, okay, so it says this one is for extra large oval brush for foundation, bronzer. What happened? Come here. Come here. Come here, you wanna help? Okay, he's gonna help. He's gonna help us. Yeah, okay. So, the big oval brush. Here, hold these. Hold these. Foundation, bronzer, effects, powder, medium oval brush, eyeshadow, concealer, foundation, blusher, cheek contour, bronzer, the large linear brush, eyeshadow, concealer, foundation, blusher, cheek contour. I feel like you could use it for your nose contour as well. Medium linear brush, eyeshadow, eyeliner, concealer, brow contour, and the large circle brush for lip color, eyeshadow, concealer, brow contour, and yeah. So I'm super excited to try these. I saw them, you know, everybody's got their own version, so I'm super excited for those. Let me kind of list the prices for you guys here. So those were $18. Thank you. I got these Miss Adoro 100% human hair lashes. These were $2. I got a clear brow gel. This was $4 for, let's see how much is in there. Oh, it's cruelty free, that's awesome. 0.23 fluid ounces. We gotta put this over here. I got some, let's see, where are these ones on here? Casina Not Free Flare Individual False Lashes. These were $3. And then from Profusion, I got the Always Matte Nude Lip Color Set. There's 6 colors in here. Profusion is actually at Target. I have their brow palette, and it is so good for the price. So for this one, this was $12 for all of these. And then I did get 2 free gifts. So the first one is Italia Deluxe 2-Step Waterproof Mascara. So step 1 is Shocking Volume. Step 2 is Lash by Lash. It kind of says it on that pink part right there. And then the last free gift that I got was a Beauty Treats lip scrub in Wild Apple. So that was free. Super excited about it. I will do a separate review video on each product as I use it. And hopefully I like them and it was all worth it. I mean, my total was $45. No tax, no shipping. I got 10 cents off for using some Hush points. and then an additional $6 off. I don't remember what that was for. So my total was $38.90 for all of that stuff. So that's pretty great. I did order it last week, and I just got it. Let's see, I ordered it last Thursday, and I got it today, which today is Monday. So not even a week, which is great. I'm very impressed so far. So I'll let you guys know how I like the products.